Hello traders. We will share with you a quite simple but powerful strategy that you can practice well and make some serious money. In this video, you will see how to turn $20 into $170 in just 3 trades. You can register on the platform to trade on the first link in the description of the video. If something is unclear to you, feel free to contact us on Instagram or our Telegram. We have a free Telegram channel where we share our trades with you, the link is in the description of this video. Now let's move on to the strategy. First, we move the time frame to 2 minutes, and the trade time to 7 minutes. Then we select the necessary indicators for this strategy. We select MACD and Keltner channel indicators. After that, we have to edit the indicators. Repeat everything you see in this video. Now for MACD. Now you are good to go, let's get in action. This is the situation we are looking for. First, we can see the candles cross the top line of the Keltner channel. Second and third, the candles and the lines in the MACD indicator cross each other. There we open a 7-minute lower trade. Indicators are looking good, we are opening a $20 lower trade. After 7 minutes, the trade is profitable, and we are on $38 balance. Another good situation, opening a $38, 7-minute higher trade. After 7 minutes, the trade is profitable, and we are on $73 balance. Very good situation, we open a $73 7-minute lower trade. After 7 minutes, the trade is profitable, and we are on $140 balance. You can practice this strategy with a demo balance, and you can register an account on the first link in the description.